Alright you guys, so let's go ahead and jump right into this tutorial. My hair is about 85% dry. I just let it dry in a towel and then I let it air dry. The first product I'm going to use is the Color Wow Raise the Root Hair Thickening Spray, and that's exactly what it does. It just helps thicken your hair, and I like to spray this at my roots, and you can see I'm parting my hair because I want to make sure that this whole section of my head gets it, because it's mainly where I'll be teasing, and I feel like this also helps my hair hold a tease better, and this is what really makes my hair a lot bigger. And then I'm gonna go in with the Color Wow Dream Cocktail, and I'm applying this to the ends of my hair, and this will give my hair a lot of texture and it'll really help hold the curl a lot better. I feel like my curls came out a lot tighter than when I practiced this hairstyle, because my hair was damp this time, and then using those products and really activating it with the heat. I'm just roughly blow drying my hair and making sure that it's 100% dry before I start curling it. So you want to part your hair. This is very crucial because you want your curls to be bouncy. So I'm just parting it into small sections. I don't even know what this is considered, but I'm using a regular curler with a clamp. I couldn't find my curling wand. You can use any curler that you have. So another crucial part for this is to let the curl cool down. Now you don't have to set it for hours, but as long as you just let the curl cool down before you let it down. I'm only using 2 hair clips for this whole tutorial. You also want to make sure that you're curling your hair away from your face. So I didn't love the way that this hairstyle turned out this day. I feel like my curls came out a lot tighter than I anticipated, so I think I might redo this tutorial with a bigger barrel. But another tip is if you have shorter hair, you should use a smaller barrel, and then if you have longer hair, you can go ahead and use a bigger barrel. But again, it's just whatever you prefer. I want to say that this is a 1-inch curler, but I will put the exact size down in the info box, so make sure that you check that out. I will also leave all of the product names and all of that good stuff down in the info box. Now for the top part, you just want to make sure that you part your hair a little bit more than you usually would. So the section with my bangs, I'm curling it a little bit different just because, again, I have bangs, I have a lot of layers, and so there's a lot of pieces that stick out. So I'm just curling it this way, but as long as you set it the same way that you set the other pieces, you'll be fine. And then taking a large paddle brush, I'm just brushing the curls out to really soften it. And then onto the teasing. It's very important for you to section it as well. So I feel like I'm so late on this product, but this is the Sexy Hair Powder Play, and it seriously makes your tease stay. I don't know why it took me so long to finally give this product a try, but if you have not, I highly recommend it because it holds your tease so well, like even onto the next day if you want to wear your curls for a few days. You want to take your time with teasing. I always tell people, like, you don't have to hurt your hair, okay? Be gentle with your hair. You want to create pockets of air because at the end of the day, this is all just an illusion. You guys saw how flat my hair was in the beginning, okay? And look at how crazy it looks right now, just with all the products and just taking my time to create these pockets of air. All right, so now it's time to calm all this craziness down and just tame it a little bit more. I'm just going back in with my paddle brush and just very lightly with the tips of the brush, I'm smoothing out the top and then brushing through the ends. And then I'm using this Sexy Hair Styling Paste to really help with the flyaways. I just love how it adds a little bit more shine back to my hair and just kind of polishes it. So now I'm going to go in with the Oribe Dry Texturizing Spray, and I'm just spraying this so that there's more texture because I don't want my curls to stick together at all. That's not the look I'm going for. And then I like using the Big Sexy Spray and Play Hairspray as a finishing spray. I feel like this really freezes your hair, so I just like to spray at the end when I'm done with my hairstyle to really hold my curls in place. So on to my final step. I love to style my baby hairs because, as you guys can see, I just have this huge bald spot from my postpartum hair loss, so I feel like this really helps hide that and it just completes the look. Alright you guys, so that is it for this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this, and I really hope that you guys found this helpful. I hope that you at least picked up a few tips from this video. But yeah, thank you all so much for joining me today. I will see you all later. Bye.